Hi all, welcome to Shri Preeti classes. Today we are going to continue from where we have left in the previous lecture, what is NPM and what is NVM. But today we are going to learn one more thing, that how to use NVM to work on different versions of NPM parallelly. Let's do a quick recap of NPM because we need to learn NPM previously because it is very much required to learn before starting using NVM. So we have learned that if we have a reusable code that we are using as a package, we can publish it into a npm registry, and developers around the globe can install it. And we have known that Node Package Manager is an open source, has the largest software registry of JavaScript, and also it makes sure whether the updated code is there or not. It will intimate you. And NVM is a node version manager. It actually manages the different versions of node in a single uh, system. So we have known that we need to install Node.js to run npm, and npm will help us to run Angular. If we have the latest version of Node.js, then we can work on any previous version of Angular that requires the minimum node version and the npm version. And we don't need to install multiple node version in that scenario, because if we have the latest one, then previous version of Angular can be run. But what if we are in a situation where we need multiple node versions? Then in that case we need to use NVM. Now here let's create one Angular application using the current version of npm that Node.js that we have installed. Then we will create one more application with using the different version of Node that we will install using npm. Let's create a new Angular application using ng-new, and this time we will not give routing automatically because we will manually do it later on. Let's check on npm's official site, where we can see the latest version of Angular is 10 currently. Because we have installed Angular CL directly, we have not given any version to it. But let's see all the versions that are available over here. I cannot see Angular 5 here. It could be deprecated, but we have to check. So let's go to Angular's official website, and there in the left menu at the bottom you can see the stable version is 10.1.1. If we click on it, we can see all the different other versions that are available. So here we can see the version 5 is also available. So let's click it and let's see where it will direct us. So it is taking us to v.angular.io.docs and v5. So similarly we can see for v6 is Angular version 6, and so for Angular version 8 as well, it is showing us to redirect to angular.io. But I mean, we can see that for every different version of Angular, we can see its docs files using this v5 or v6.angular.io docs. Let's go and check what are available inside the documentation. So I think everything is same, whether it is version 5 or whether it is version 6 or 10. In same way we can install this Angular CLI, but yeah, here we require NVM 6.9.x minimum, node version 6.9.x minimum. So this is why I was talking about NVM, which will help us to use multiple Angular node versions. Let's install NVM. Let's go to github.com nvm sh/nvm. So from there we have to install NVM for Windows. So let's search NVM for Windows over there. That's here right now. Let's click on it, and from here we have to click on download now button. So here we can see the latest version is 1.1.7 as of now, but we can have previous versions as well. We can download the previous versions. Let's click on the nvm setup.zip. So once it will be installed, we have to unzip the folder. and from there we have to click the npm setup. Let's install it. So okay, now let's check if nvm is working. Yeah, nvm is working. Let's check the list of node versions we have. nvm list. So currently we have 14.50, which was the latest version, which we have installed from Node.js website. Now if I want to install a particular version that I am interested into, so as we have seen in the website of Angular v5.angular.io docs, that minimum version was 6.9.x. So let's try to install 6.9.1 if we could. nvm install 6.9.1 and let's check. So we have the 6.9 node version as well installed. So so far we could say that node version manager helps us in switching between multiple node and npm versions to work on multiple node or front-end web applications like Angular in the same system of different bit versions as well, if either a 32-bit version or a 64-bit version as well. Now I can see that I have a 6.9.1 version currently using 64-bit executable. If I want to install a 32-bit version, then let's see if I could nvm install 6.9.2 32 or 64 is by default. Let's install 32-bit version. So you could see that it will install the 32-bit version of Node.js with version 6.9.2. Now if I check the node version, you could see the current node version is 6.9.1, but if I use 6.9.2 then I have to mention the version because 64-bit version is not installed, so I have to mention the version that 32-bit version has to be used. It will ask me to allow it. Okay, now I'm using the 6.9.2 32-bit version. So let's create a Angular application. Let's see if ng is working. So Node.js version 6.2 detected. Is ng working? Let's install this CLI. Let's not do it as a global level. Let's go to some particular directory. Let's go to directory. Okay, let's go to desktop. Let's create a folder over there if I have it. Okay, then now let's install Angular CLI. I think I have to mention Angular 5.2.2 CLI at. Okay, let's do it without Angular 5.2 because currently we are using npm node version 6.9.2 or npm must be 3 point something. Let's check the npm version. It's 3.10.9 and let's now install Angular CLI. Let's check which Angular version it will install. I'm assuming that it will install the latest Angular version, but for having the latest Angular version I should have a minimum node version of that particular which will be compatible with that. So let's go to angular.io. Let's check what minimum node version we require for current version of node. So I think the current version of node is required for installing the current version of Angular, but for version 5 we'll have to check what version it is installing of Angular. Can we run Angular 10 with node 6.9.x? Let's see, maybe it could be run Angular 10, but what if we don't have the minimum required version? Then we have to use nvm. No such directory such as package.json. So I hope it is clear that we need that minimum node version to install a particular Angular version application. So like we cannot install Angular 10 over here, because when we use the command angular/cli, it was downloading the current version of Angular, the current stable version, which is 10.x something. But to install the Angular version 5.2.11, we have to use Angular at the rate angular/cli at the rate 5.2.11. And in order to do so, we have to get the minimum required node version as well. Though still, like you have seen when we were checking on that npm website, we could not see the Angular 5 version modules over there, packages over there. So some supporting packages of Angular files, Angular 5 file, Angular 5 versions are deprecated, so probably it could not work over there. But I hope it is clear how we could use nvm to use multiple node versions of either 32 or 64 bit, and we could use it in our node application as well, and in Angular application as well. But in Angular we probably won't need very much. We could use the latest version of Angular, because we need the minimum required version. Like it for Angular 5 version, it is saying 6.9.x is the minimum required version. We have the latest version. So that's it for today. Hope everything is clear. Do subscribe for all the latest videos. Bye, take care.